What's up YouTube? 2018 Mazda CX5 4-cylinder. I'm going to show you how to replace the spark plugs today. It's a pretty easy task. Anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I'm going to continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do is get this cover out of our way. Just pull up on it, no bolts. Now we're going to take our coils off to get access to the plugs, and it looks like it's going to be an 8mm socket. I'm cheating a little bit because I'm using electric tools. Going counterclockwise. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Retrieve all your bolts. You don't lose them. I'll set them up here so they don't fall down in the engine bay somewhere. Just twist and pull up on your coils. Now it's up to you if you want to change your coil boots. If you want to, I'm going to show you how to do it. Just twist back and forth until they come off. Just like that. The new ones will come with a new spring and everything in them. The customer didn't want to do them today, so I'm reusing the old ones, which that's fine. They're still in good shape. You don't have to change them. Push that back on. You don't even have to unplug these. Alright. Now, if you don't have a 14mm or a 9/16 spark plug socket, you can use just a regular 14mm. I will prove that. Notice I am. This is a regular 14 socket. Now, they're not going to come out. Most spark plug sockets have either rubber in there to catch the plug or a magnet. These don't. I'll show you how to get them out. Just take you any sort of magnet, antenna magnet of sort. Just like that. Boom. Alright. And if you don't have a magnet, let me show you another way. Unplug one of your coils here. If I can get it unplugged. Push down that tab. Now, let me drop another one of those back in there. Catch it with your coil. Just thought I'd throw that out there. Make sure you plug that back in. You hear the click. Now these come pre-gap, but I still always check them to make sure that the tip ain't bent. They come with protective plastic over them that I've already took off. Now another trick you can do, when I start them, put you a little piece of rag in there, like tissue paper. Pretty sure all y'all have that at home, I would hope. Just to hold it. Start them a couple turns. Wrong way. Alright, now I'm going to run them down very slowly with my gun. Just till they barely stop. Should have took that piece of rag out before I did that, but it's okay. I'll retrieve it in a second here. Now we're going to give it a final little snug. Just when they stop, give them another little quarter turn. Alright. You will have to have a deep well socket though. 14 or 9/16. Alright. Let's see a little piece of rag down there. Should have took that off beforehand, but if you forget and it gets stuck on there, take a little pick of some sort. Take my light off here so I can see what I'm doing. Come on, babe. Almost. That takes talent, y'all. But I'm a dummy for not taking it off before then. But I got it, so. Push came to shove, I just would have pulled the whole spark plug socket back out. Seat your coils back down in the right order. Can't really mess up because notice they're corresponding to the wiring harness, but if you're not sure, just draw your 1, 2, 3, 4 on there with a marker or some whiteout or something you can see. The rag wouldn't have happened to me if I was using a regular spark plug socket, but for you at homers, I try to show y'all different options so you don't have to buy any special tools. At times when I remember to try to remind y'all, that's what I'm here to do. Try to save y'all money. Snug those down. And if you're not familiar with electric tools and you have one, just do it by hand, because I know the threshold on this. Anyways, I don't think I need to show you how to put the cover back on, but I am going to start it up to make sure everything's running smooth and no surprise misfires before I end this video. And I know why that check engine light's on, because I didn't plug that mass airflow back in. And I think I told you all that in the video, make sure you plug it back in, but that's all right. Yes, I mess up too. It's alright, I'll reset that code whenever I get done with this car. So, anyways, I'm done. Sorry about the technical difficulties, it happens. Anyways, y'all subscribe. Hope you liked this video. Check like. Have a good day. Peace out.